Hello, today I'm going to show you an awesome unboxing video by me for you. Today, let me introduce you. This electric telescopic washing brush with a telescopic handle. It is possible to go up to 6.5 meter. This is a PV photovoltaic system cleaning roller, a washing brush, extendable telescopic rods for cleaning of windows, terrace roofs, winter garden, and of course our balcony power plant, for example. Yeah, that's possible because we have here an everything cleaning. Are you still frustrated with the traditional manual cleaning brush out there? This electric telescopic water brush is equipped with a 2000 mAh high-capacity lithium-ion battery, which provides a strong power. 120 and 180 rounds per minute are possible, and a torque of more than 30 kg FCM, effortlessly removing alarms of birds' droppings, step-borne ash deposits, and snow. This reducing our cleaning time in half. The warm button start can be used for throughout the cleaning process. This saves time and effort. We say goodbye to traders' manual washing brushes and increase the cleaning efficiency by 60%. And the extra long telescopic area for easy cleaning at height. That means we do not have to go to the rooftop. No, we can make this by this telescopic thing. Worry about climbing the steps roof of the maintaining balance or unstable grounds? This is the solution. The telescopic poles, made of aircraft aluminium, are in the length of 6 feet, approximately 1.85 meters, to 21 feet, approximately 6.5 meters. It can be securely locked in any length. Even while we're standing, this telescopic washing brush cleans the heights easy without the ladder for cleaning terrace roofs and other difficult to reach areas like our PV area. Yeah, we can safely clean the panels on the second floor from the floor and avoid the risk of climbing on ladders, especially on slippery roofs. And we improve our cleaning experience with that. It's designed specifically for cleaning solar systems. 20 centimeter long premium roll brush has an optimized bristle density that increases the area covered by cleaning by 30% compared to standard brush bristles. This innovative design allows the brush to effectively remove step-borne dirt, gently clean without leaving any tracks, while protecting the solar panels, glass, paints, and other surfaces from scratches. Enables the solar panels to return to an optimal energy generation and direct water flow design. Because the water brewed with the telescopic handle offers two cleaning modes. The dry cleaning mode is suited for rapid decontamination, while the water wash mode deeply cleans every corner of the solar panel, ensuring that no stains are left out. The combination of the two modes is both environmentally friendly and efficient, thus making clean more flexible and versatile. This telescopic brush with a water connection are suited for cleaning high windows, house facades, PV systems, terrace roofs, winter gardens, and. The robust design ensures a durability too. Whether we used it as a truck washing brush or an RV washing brush, it reflects the high-cost performance. It provides convenient wireless operation and can be used for about 2 hours after full charge, ideal for our daily clean maintenance needs. And we keep calm and make a good job with that. Simple and efficient, easy to clean, smart to work, with 2000 mAh battery capacity, 120 minutes coordinations, Type-C charging, IPX4 waterproof. So, take care of you, because you do not have to drop out from the rooftop. No, no, no. You can make this from the bottom. The clean out is possible to make this from the bottom area easy by using this cleaning set by Bidoof. Electronic telescopic washing brush with a telescopic handle. 6.5 meter PV system cleaning roller wash brush. Extendable telescopic rods. Cleaning for windows, terrace roofs, winter garden, and of course for your solar panels. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel. Sun.